Hi, my name is Doya Zheng from EVERLAND, your trusted expert in cooling solutions. We provide customization services and product consultations to meet your needs. 1. Rapid cooling, long-lasting comfort. 15 seconds instant cooling. Advanced water circulation technology for fast, even cooling. Long-lasting effect maintains a comfortable 15 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius cooling range. Adjustable cooling levels. 3-speed control for personalized temperature adjustment. 2. Lightweight and ergonomic design. Breathable and portable, comfortable for all-day wear. S-shaped water pipes. Even cooling, no localized cold spots. Leak-proof and durable. High-quality PP materials and secure sealing. 3. Designed for extreme work environments construction, arch, outdoor work. Factories enhances safety and work efficiency under extreme heat. 4. Simple and easy to use. 1. Add ice and water. 2. Connect power bank. 3. Instant cooling starts. 5. Why choose EVERLAND? At EVERLAND, we specialize in ergonomic cooling technology, offering OEM and customization services, bulk, orders available patented cooling technology. Contact me, Doya Zheng, for inquiries and customization options. EVERLAND, redefining cooling technology.